Hi guys, it's a very rainy day and I feel like going to Target, so let's go. Guys, it's literally pouring. Guys, I have to make a run for it. Guys, I made a run for it. My screen's all wet. The shopping spree at Target begins. Guys, look, I found the OG Simple Dimples. Look at how cute. Guys, look, the viral tumblers. Okay guys, I want to get some Target clothes, so let's go. I'm gonna try these. I think I'm gonna have to pick up some of these. Okay guys, I've done enough damage. Let's go check out.
It's kind of boys at school never there.
Hey.
There. Taylor's the one they look at.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Boys at school never look at me.